NetDialog's NetX is a central monitoring, analyzing, and reporting tool for Symantec's PacketShaper. NetX delivers unparalleled visibility into application and user behavior, which is essential for managing and maintaining the performance and integrity of your network. NetX presents information in a logical way, in a unified dashboard. Over here, in the middle, you find the performance canvas. And in the upper pane, you will find a time and time type selector. You can select all hours or business hours. It's up to you to select the hour and time type for which you want to view the traffic. Let's start with the overview to see how the network is doing. On the left side of the screen, you will find the navigation pane. In the service level section, your service levels and KPIs are defined. It becomes immediately clear that there is some attention needed in your TCP health. There are some drops and errors, as well as some round-trip violations and utilization alerts. By clicking on Applications in the navigation pane, the application view will be shown, indicating your application SLAs. In this case, Citrix, DNS, and SSL are doing just fine. You can also see how you are managing your business applications from an ADPEX or an Application Performance Index perspective. You see, all applications are doing excellent. If we focus on sites in the navigation pane, NetX will show the site's health. The site overview shows what sites are congested, and you can zoom in if required. To find out what is actually going on in your network, just click on Summary, and it instantly becomes clear that today's top application is SharePoint, and that Berlin has the highest utilization. Further down, the Paris site, with 8% retransmitted traffic, needs some attention too. Let's have a closer look at the site of Berlin. Especially at the end of the day, we see high utilization. The detailed view of the Berlin site reveals that Windows Update is responsible for congestion of the network at 7 o'clock. When we zoom in on 7 o'clock in the upper pane, it becomes clear that somebody is uploading files to SharePoint and Windows updates are being executed at the same time. This has an impact on the TCP efficiency. The overutilized network causes a lot of retransmits. You can also see the impact on the packet exchange time. It takes more time to exchange data packets on the network because of the congestion. And there are also some extra connection refuses from the server caused by the network. If we go one step back to the day graph, and click on Windows Update. The navigation tree on the left reveals that the information has automatically been filtered. Only Windows Update from the Network Services Group in Berlin is shown. Look, there is a peak at 7. If you click on a user in the upper pane, you will immediately see which IP addresses are sending and receiving the traffic. The information in the user view comes from the flow details records of PacketShaper. NetX combines the FDRs with the class tree information and can link the flow data to the class Windows Update. The graph here indicates that the Windows Update uses the bits protocol to download the updates. In the Conversations view, you will see that the update takes almost 400 megabytes. So from the overview, you can drill down to the root cause of the congestion. Eventually, we found out on what site, with which applications and users, the burst was caused. NetX also has very strong reporting, export, and data mining capabilities. If you want to create a report for a relative date, like yesterday, just click on Generate Report. After the report has been generated, you can download it as a Word file, so you can edit your report, add notes and advice. When opening the file, you will see that the report contains a table of contents and all kinds of graphs and tables. All reports available in NetX can be exported to a Word template, and you can edit them the way you like. Another amazing feature of NetX is data analytics. By clicking on the Analyze button in the upper pane, you can create your own data sheets. With the heat chart feature, you can create an intelligent capacity management overview based on a minute-to-minute analysis. With just one click of the mouse, you will see how busy your network has been during the past week. The chart actually presents the number of business minutes with a utilization above 80%. When clicking on one particular day in the chart, graphs are automatically generated for that day, showing what applications are using the network. NetDialog, Networked Application Visibility.